Okay, student, good morning. Today I am going to deliver on aquatic biodiversity chapter. As we know our previous lecture that what is biodiversity, and today we will focus on aquatic biodiversity. So next, first we will start with definition that biodiversity is the variability among living organisms from all sources including terrestrial, marine and other aquatic ecosystem and the ecological complexes of which they are part. This include diversity within the species, between the species and of ecosystem. So biodiversity is the totality of gene, species and ecosystem of a region. In other words, variation of life at all levels of biological organizations. So what is aquatic biodiversity? So it can be defined as the variety of life and the ecosystem that make up the freshwater, tidal and marine region of the world and their interaction. So it encompasses freshwater ecosystem. It also consists of marine ecosystem, and aquatic biodiversity include all the unique species, their habitats and interactions between them. So it will be very interesting to as a student to all of you that you will get to know the various types of species which are existing in the ocean or which are existing in the freshwater body also. There are many types of ornamental fishes which we have a diversity of them, or many medicinal plant values are also there which will be useful in the medical facilities nowadays in a vast proportion. Now there are now as we know that aquatic biodiversity is gaining so much of importance, and it is so interesting topic for everybody. But nowadays as globalization is increasing day by day, so it is the threat to aquatic biodiversity, that there are many threats but the biggest one is a human threat, as the human activities are causing species to disappear at an alarming rate. Losses of this magnitude impact the entire ecosystem, depriving valuable resources used to provide food and medicines and industrial material to human beings. Runoff from agriculture and urban areas, the invention of exotic species, and the creation of dam water diversions have been identified as the greatest challenges to the freshwater environment. See, we now we can see that human activities are so increasing. That is why all these problems are happen. So how are human activities affecting aquatic biodiversity? As we know that rising sea level due to human induced climatic change and coastal development has lead to the wetland and a coral reef degradation. Okay, then overfishing. What is overfishing? Sometimes there are rainy season which is banned season for the fishing, but still some fishermen, due to their thirst of money, they went to the sea overseas sometimes, and they capture the many small recruited fishes at the time of their breeding, which is harmful and which is not done. Due to this, the aquatic resources are decreasing. Then the introduction of all alien species to aquatic ecosystem, that is Nile perch in Lake Victoria. Then humans have degraded a large proportion of coastal wetlands, coral reefs and mangroves. Some 90% of fish living in this ecosystem are under intense pressure of human activities. So my request to all the students that you should take a assignment on aquatic biodiversity, how we can control and how we can achieve the how we can restore the aquatic biodiversity, as it is our necessity, and we should come up with a strong knowledge about it, and we should do something fruitful towards our society. So thank you for listening to my video carefully, and just do your assignments. Thank you.